happy birthday. Happy 16th birthday. Effort masyado si mami mo. I miss you. I miss you so much. I pray na that God will grant all the good desires sa heart mo. And then, mapapayo ko lang, guard your heart. Guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Okay? Mag-aral ng mabuti. I know, matalino ka naman. Mag-aaral ka talaga at makakatapos ka. Isang ubo na lang. Isang ubo. Ilang months na lang. Grade 11 ka na, senior high ka na. Stay pretty, stay humble, and looking forward to see you. Chat mo ako pag nag-visit kayo dito sa Davao. Sana sa LPU ka mag-school para kita-kits. I miss you so much. Love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. And I wish you stay humble, caring, and the sassy girl that I know. Happy birthday. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Yuri! Happy sweet 16! I love you!
Happy birthday, Rick! So, sasabi ko lang is, stay healthy, always be happy, enjoy your day, and God bless you. Yun lang naman. Happy birthday, Rex!
Happy birthday, Ate Yuri.
Happy birthday, Yuri! God bless! Enjoy your birthday!
See you soon.
Hi Yuri, happy birthday. Hindi ko alam kung naalala mo pa ako, pero I'm sure namumukhaan mo ako. Ito lang yung wish ko para sa iyo is maging strong ka, katulad ng mama mo. And tapos mo yung pag-aaral mo. I know you're a smart girl. I-pursue mo lang yung gusto mong career in the future. And malim yung kapatid mo. And bukas-bukasan ng pag-Jollibee paggabi at McDo. At medyo nakakataba yun. Joke lang. Pero ayan. Stay safe. Good health. And see you soon. Love you and I miss you. Bye!
Happy birthday, Yuri! Lagi ka magpapakabait, makikinig kay mami, at lagi magdasal. Lagi mo kang tandaan na nandito lang.